Hi, it's Doug Atkinson, and thanks for visiting my channel after you finished viewing the home at 3879 West 31st Avenue. So right now we'll just talk about what it's going to take to go into a property like that and what cost you're looking at each month. Okay, so here we just take a quick look. I have a chart here with 20% down on the left-hand side and 35% down on the right-hand side. So if we go right to the 20%, which is the minimum amount you can put on this property if you're going to mortgage it, is almost $600,000 down with a mortgage of approximately $2.4 million. At a 30-year amortization at 2.74%, you're looking at a monthly payment about $97.62. Now, keep in mind that this particular house has a 2-bedroom rental suite downstairs that is earning additional $2,200 a month. It is a little below market. You could possibly get a little bit higher, let's say $2,500. So actually taking that $9,700 payment and knocking $2,500 will bring it down quite considerably. But in order to qualify for a mortgage like that, you need to bring home income of about $250,000. So that could be the two of you, one of you, whatever, but that is the income you need to look at to have a mortgage this size. What I end up finding on properties in the couple $1 million range and higher, a lot of people don't do necessarily mortgages on their properties. They usually cash. But a lot of people do put a lot of money into these properties. So if you go to the far end of my little chart here, you see 35% down. So now we're looking at somebody putting just over $1 million down on the property, and the mortgage is going to be less than $2 million. So you're looking at a payment of about $7,900. Take off 25 from that. Now you're looking at about $5,400 a month that's coming out of your pocket to pay that mortgage. Now, the other consideration when you buy a property in BC, you have property transfer tax. And in particular, if you pay $2.999 million for this, the property transfer tax is going to be about $67,970. And that is an amount that you can't roll into your mortgage. So in addition of paying under the 20%, $600,000 down, you also have to come up with another $68,000 in cash as well, because that can't roll into the mortgage. The other things that can't roll into your mortgage is your notary lawyer fees, which could be anywhere from $1,500 to $1,800. An inspection perhaps $450 to $650. So there are some other costs that will come up prior to getting and closing in on the property itself. But actually qualifying for the mortgage is probably one of the first things you need to do if you have to. So if you have any more questions about this property or mortgages or financing, you can email me down below at doug@blacksunmortgage.com or give me a call at 604-219-9977, and I can look at discussing your mortgage needs and how I can get you into a property. Anyways, thanks for coming along. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.